How can I remove the M from my file in Sublime Text 3? When I do a git diff in my branch, I see that line endings have the characters M. I want to replace these with Unix line endings before committing my changes. I am using Ubuntu 14.04, Git in Sublime Text 3. I am looking for a way to change line endings in Sublime Text 3 not using other utilities or commands.
I found a Sublime Text plugin that converts line endings in all open files to Unix/Windows/Mac OS 9. Installation. Open Sublime and go to Preferences and GT, Browse Packages. This will open a window. Download or clone the contents of this repository to a folder named exactly as the package name into the packages/folder you opened in the previous step. /home/your_username/.config/sublime text 3/packages. Usage. Go back to Sublime and open all the files that you want to convert. Once all of the files are open, hit Ctrl+Shift+P and search and select line ending to all view, Unix. Hit Ctrl+Alt+S to save all of the open files.
This can be done without a plugin via the menu at the top or the status bar, but you need to enable the feature. To change it through the menu at the top, click View in GT, Line Endings in GT, select desired line ending type. To enable this through the status bar, click Preferences in GT, Settings, then add show_line_endings column true, somewhere between the brackets on the right-hand side. Finally, save your changes. This enables a small section on the right of the status bar that shows up at the bottom. It tells you the current EOL encoding, and by clicking the box and selecting a different type, it changes the file's EOL character for you. Another helpful option is file encoding, which can be enabled in the status bar as well by following the same setups above, but also adding show_encoding column true between the marks.
You can use DOS2 Unix command in Linux, package DOS2 Unix, or change line endings in Sublime Text under menu item View, Line Endings.
$M is \R, Control-M, or carriage return. This is likely because the user who committed the file was using Windows, which uses \R/\N for its line endings. Linux uses only \N, hence you see the M at the end of the line. You probably want to do one of the following. Fix the file to have \N line endings, using a tool such as DOS2 Unix, and commit. In which case you'll be fighting with the other user unless you can get them to do the below. Configure both of your Git installations to handle line endings correctly for each environment, e.g., this URL. Configure Sublime to open the file with Windows line endings.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.